Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of queue on the application of Messenger. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of Messenger and you will click. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage. In this page of storage you will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Messenger. Then you will update your app if you find updates, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.